We're not going to allow that to happen. He sees it as another yellow and black robot. He's going to be confused. Which one is his? He doesn't know which one he's driving. All right, Split Point is ready. Killer Bees is ready. It's the Plastic Ant Weight Finals, folks. And I want to say this is a kit built entirely from pre-made parts, highly constrained. The fact that he got this far is amazing. Killer Bees is an all-custom robot, which is a two-event champion? Two-event champion going for his third. We're going to see who wins this in 3, 2, 1, fight! All right, Split Point quickly getting around Killer Bees and corralling him into the wall, shoving him in there. We're going to have to have him count out in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful pin by Split Point. He's backing out, and he's going to go around. He's done it again. All right, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. He's backing out one full robot length. He's backed out, and he's done it. Oh, almost. Almost. He's trying to get Killer Bees, but he's managed to pin Killer Bees again. Let's see if he's fully pinned. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back away. Killer Bees, he's backed away. Oh, and he's managed to flick, spick, and remove one of the wedges. This is starting to go the way it went last time, where Killer Bees has gotten into one of the legs. Split Point trying. Oh, and Killer Bees, he's managed to get Killer Bees again, but having been flipped over, that makes it easier for Killer Bees to get bite on that robot. We've got 44 seconds left in the match. Can Split Point? Split Point definitely has an early lead, but it looks like definitely we've got some wheel issues on Split Point now. Split Point is showing mobility again, but as flipped over, not able to show quite the same control. So far, Split Point has 2 pins, or 3 pins, and Killer Bees has 1 good hit on Split Point. So Killer Bees is going to have to show some real damage and aggression in order to win this. Split Point up on points. Killer Bees as countdown in 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's the match. All right, this is going to be a tough one for the judges, folks. The judges are going to confer, but it's going to be tough.